If you're looking for a floor-standing speaker that delivers spine-tingling, crystal-clear audio, it can be hard to choose the right one with so many options on the market. That's why, in this video, I'll go through the 6 best floor-standing speakers that are worth your time and money. Whether you want something for a home theater system, the best speaker for a party, or just the best high-end speaker, I'll have something for everyone. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the GeoGroove Blue Sync STW. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This tower speaker hits hard with great audio. It has a built-in subwoofer and dual drivers that push out 120 watts of peak power and delivers deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, all in a single, sleek unit. One thing I really like is that it doesn't take up much space. At just 38 inches tall, it fits perfectly in apartments, offices, or smaller lounging areas without looking bulky. And it's not just Bluetooth. This thing is a 4-in-1 audio station, so you can stream wirelessly, use a 3.5mm AUX input, tune into FM radio, or even plug in a USB drive and play high-res music directly. It also has a device dock on top, so you can set your phone or tablet there while it charges via the USB port. Now, it's not some high-end audiophile setup, but for the price, it's perfect for most people. As Steve wrote, "I think this Bluetooth speaker would be hard to beat for the price. It's way louder than any traditional portable speaker. All the different input options, including FM radio, is a nice feature. The audio quality is really good. We use it all day, every day at our shop for last few months and haven't had any issues." If you want a budget-friendly, space-saving tower speaker that still brings the boom, the GeoGroove Blue Sync STW is worth checking out. Number 5 is the Samsung Sound Tower. This speaker is best for parties on our list. It delivers 240 watts of power through bi-directional speakers and spreads sound evenly in both directions to fill your space without dead zones. But what makes it even better for parties is the built-in battery. You get up to 18 hours of playtime, so you don't have to run to find an outlet mid-party. It's also IPX5 water resistant, which means a little rain or some accidental drink spills won't kill the vibe. Now, this sound tower has 5 different lighting modes, which perfectly sync with your music to set the mood. And if you're feeling extra, there's a mic input for karaoke. For connectivity, you can pair 2 smart devices at once via Bluetooth, so you and a friend can take turns DJing without constantly disconnecting. And if one isn't loud enough, Group Play lets you link up to 10 of these speakers together. There's even a dedicated bass boost button for when you really want to feel the music. Ryan reviews it as hands down the best speaker. Bass is super punchy and deep, depending on the mode, and sounds good, even at higher volumes. No issues with battery life either. Normally lasts 3 to 4 days with constant use. Super loud and good sound quality for the size. Easy to move around and connects great with Bluetooth. Can't beat at this price. I will be buying a second one as you can pair them together. Overall, if you want a party speaker that's loud, durable, and keeps the fun going, this one's the perfect choice. Number 4 is the Fluence Reference XL8. This is best for home theater systems on our list. If you're serious about home audio, but don't want to drop thousands on a system, these are worth a look. The biggest highlight of these speakers is the down-firing 8-inch subwoofer. Instead of relying on an external sub, these speakers pump out deep, room-filling bass all on their own. While watching an action movie, you will feel those low-end rumbles without needing extra gear. And for the music, the bass response gives everything from jazz to hip-hop a rich, full-bodied feel. The mid-range is also impressive. Fluence uses woven fiber drivers that reduce vibrations, so vocals and instruments sound clean and natural. No matter if you're into acoustic tracks or fast-paced, dialogue-heavy scenes, everything stays detailed and immersive. Then there's the Silk Dome Tweeter. It handles the highs beautifully and makes sure no detail gets lost. And the result is a crisp, balanced sound that doesn't feel harsh or overwhelming no matter what volume you're listening at. Design-wise, these speakers are sleek. The walnut wood veneer with a black gloss front looks polished, and the seamless finish makes them feel way more premium than their price tag suggests. Also, the setup is super easy. They have dual rear ports for a controlled bass response, plus gold-plated binding posts if you want a bi-wire or bi-amp. Overall, if you want a cinematic experience without the clutter of multiple speakers and subs, the Fluence XL8 is a great choice. And if you want to know the latest prices for the floor-standing speakers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Klipsch Reference Premier. This is the best high-end floor-standing speaker on our list. This speaker delivers a rich sound without needing a crazy amount of power. It's a two-way floor-standing speaker with a 1-inch titanium tweeter sitting in a horn waveguide that produces super crisp highs without harshness. It has dual 8-inch cerametallic woofers that deliver deep, punchy bass while keeping distortion low, so whether you're blasting music or watching a blockbuster, everything sounds clean and tight. But the standout feature is its 98 decibel sensitivity. Means you don't need an amplifier to drive them. Even at lower volumes, the sound remains full and dynamic, which is rare for speakers this size. Now, there's one thing to note. These speakers are rear-ported, which means they need a little breathing room. If you push them up against a wall, you might lose some of that depth and sound, so keep them at least 18 inches away for the best experience. And if you're into bi-amping or bi-wiring, Klipsch has got you with dual binding posts. Larry puts it as absolutely outstanding. Speakers sound amazing, and the seller was an absolute delight to work with. AAA on item and customer service. So, if you're looking for that immersive live concert feel without breaking the bank, the Klipsch Reference is the best high-end choice. Number 2 is the Rockville Rock Tower 68C. This is the best value for money option on our list. These tower speakers deliver powerful sound without wrecking your budget. First off, they look great. The classic wood grain finish gives them that premium, vintage vibe that fits into any setup. But performance-wise, they're even better. Each speaker comes with dual 6.5-inch woofers, a dedicated mid-range driver, and a silk dome tweeter. They deliver deep sound, which is perfectly balanced by a built-in 3-way crossover, and you get the kind of sound separation that makes music and movies feel immersive, not muddy. And if you're a bass lover, the vented enclosure design enhances low frequencies and adds extra depth without distortion. With 500 watts of peak power and an 8-ohm impedance, these speakers are efficient enough to work with most standard amplifiers. Plus, they've gold-plated binding posts, so you get a reliable, high-quality connection whether you're using banana plugs or bare wire. Overall, if you want big, room-filling sound with solid clarity and a sleek design, all without spending a fortune, the Rock Tower 68C is a fantastic value-for-money pick. Number 1 is the Fluence AI81. This is the best overall option on our list. This is a powerful speaker without the hassle of extra equipment. It has a built-in 150-watt amplifier, which means you don't need a separate receiver, just plug it in and you're good to go. The dual 6.5-inch woven glass fiber drivers handle mids and bass beautifully, while the neodymium tweeters keep the highs crisp and clear. Not only this, you also get plenty of bass, but if you like otherwise, the remote has tone controls, so you can dial it back if needed. And when you're feeling extra, there's a subwoofer out for even deeper lows. Connectivity-wise, it features RCA, optical, and Bluetooth 5, and you can hook up a turntable or a TV or even stream from your phone. Looks-wise, it's clean and modern. You can get them in multiple finishes, including white with bamboo sides. Now, if you're a hardcore audiophile who nitpicks every frequency, you might notice a bit of resonance in the mids. But for casual listeners, this thing is out of the world. If you're after big sound, no extra gear, and a super easy-to-use standing speaker, the Fluence AI 81 is my top pick. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect floor-standing speaker much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.